If you feel like a Tyrannosaurus Rex asshole, if that's how you feel, this meditation will help you out. If you feel like dinosaur shit, you know, in Jurassic Park, you saw the big ass dinosaur shit. It's like this tall. It's like 4 or 5 feet tall. And you feel like that, this meditation will help. If you feel like, yeah, under the T-Rex tail, the asshole, you feel like that. Do you get what I mean? You feel like dinosaur shit. All right. If you associate with that, if you feel like that, this meditation will help you out. And I'm sending some finger juju vibes to your nips right now. You feel that? You feel it? Cool. Take a seat or lie down. Close your fucking eyes. You already feel better, right? Close your fucking eyes. Just arrive. Take a nice deep inhale through your nose. Exhale, sigh it out. Yes. Again, take a nice deep inhale through your nose. Exhale, sigh it out. Let it fucking go. Again, take a nice deep inhale through your nose. Exhale, sigh it out. Yes. Mouth closed. Breathe in and out through your nose. Just find a comfortable, steady, natural, and intuitive breath for you. Starting to relax. Starting to arrive. And in just a moment, I'll count from 1 to 3. When I reach 3, you'll start to feel golden healing light entering the crown of your head. This golden healing light is from the center of the universe. Heals your fucking body and mind. You feel better and better. Not yet, but in just a moment, I'll count from 1 to 3. When I reach 3, you'll feel this golden healing light enter the crown of your head. Inside your body, goes up and down your spine, fills up every single cell, every single muscle fiber with this golden healing light. And you'll feel better and better. You may even feel a tingling up and down your spine or warmth. You may laugh or even cry. And that's okay, because the healing's in the feelings. So in just a moment, I'll count from 1 to 3. When I reach 3, you'll feel that golden healing light enter the crown of your head. Fills up your entire body, feeling so fucking good. Are you ready? Yes, you are. 1, 2, 3. Feel this golden healing light enter the crown of your head. Fills up your body. Goes up and down your spine. Into your nerves. Your muscle fiber. All the way down to your toes. All the way up to your head. All the way down to your fingers. Your whole body full of this golden healing light. Feeling better and better. You may start to laugh or cry. Golden healing light. Healing your body. Healing your mind. Feeling better and fucking better. Yes. Now take a nice deep inhale through your nose. Exhale, say fuck. Fuck. Yes. Open your eyes and there you go. Dinosaur shit gone. T-Rex asshole gone. Golden healing light all throughout your body. And if you want more of this shit and you want to sleep so good, get the app Sleep with Yogi Brian app. Yeah, do it. Boom.